How much can really happen in one day? In this episode, we will show you how we explored a very beautiful part of Phuket, found some very interesting cafes,
All of this is legal in hell. We are literally at the place of our dreams.
got scammed,
He brought us to a private land on purpose.
and ended up finding a very, very beautiful beach. All in just one day. So sit back, relax, and let us show you the beautiful Phuket.
What is up, guys? First day in Phuket, and so far it's been amazing. Yesterday night when we came, I would say we took a really big master move and saved so much money, because if you take a cab from the airport, it costs you about 850 baht. But what we decided was that we were gonna go out and look for a bus, even though it was like 9 p.m. We found a mini bus that brought us all the way for 150 baht each, right till the hotel. Take that as your number one tip. Do not take the cab from the airport. Walk out, go towards your left, and take the bus. Today, the plan is we're gonna go to Old Phuket town today, and a very, very special cafe. So for now, let's go get out of here. Unlike Bangkok, यहाँ पे ग्रैब ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, तो आज मैं पता नहीं था हम जाएंगे कैसे, क्योंकि ग्रैब पे तो 500-600 दिखा रहा था बात। तो हमने सोचा कि हम ऐसे वॉक करेंगे, अगर बस मिल गया ठीक है, या स्कूटी का पूछ लेंगे। लेकिन हम ये भाई साहब मिल गए, तो इसने पहले 500 मांगा, हमने बोला 500 नहीं देंगे, 300 देंगे। उसने फिर बोला कि चलो 400, बोला 400 नहीं देंगे, फिर हमने बोला 350, हमने 350 नहीं देंगे। तो अब ये 300 में लेके जा रहा है। 300 आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से सही है, तो आज के लिए ये कर लेंगे। कल जब हमें थोड़ा वाटरफॉल्स ये सब जगह जाने हैं, तब के लिए स्कूटी बेस्ट है। Alright, we just got off at Old Phuket town. Place is like really colorful, and hopefully we'll be able to show you exactly how colorful it is. You're gonna love this.
There is something so amazing about just roaming an unknown part of the world, with no goal in mind other than just to see things. Because sometimes you end up finding things which you had no idea existed, and it educates you by experience. We ended up finding a cafe that was selling weed. It had so many variations of it that it shocked us. After the shock settled, we wondered if we were standing in a legal place. So I just had to go ahead and ask.
So all of this is legal in hell?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's legal.
We are literally at the place of our dreams. Anything that's related to Harry Potter, we just have to. We've seen Harry Potter like 500 times.
Yeah.
And I've read all the books when they came out. And now it's time to see what the actual butterbeer tastes like.
I'd be delighted.
This is for Harry. Oh my god.
A few years ago, I did a Harry Potter event in Delhi, which blew up. We had done our own version of butterbeer, and I visioned it like cream soda with fizzy.
That's how this is.
This is exactly how it is.
Butterbeer is not the only thing we're tasting. Liquid luck.
Liquid luck. Desperately tricky to make, disastrous should you get it wrong.
But at least I'm lucky.
It tastes like mango shake. Butterbeer, no.
No.
I don't like mango.
We both share the wood, that is so amazing. I'm having to compromise. Alright, we just reached back, raining cats and dogs. We're gonna go up, eat a bit, and then we're gonna, if the rain stops, we're gonna go out for sunset. Alright, now we're gonna go try to catch the sunset at Beach. A bit cloudy, but I'm hoping we can find the perfect colors.
After reaching back, our initial plan was to walk back to the beach after lunch. But because the rain lasted longer than we expected, we realized we will miss the sunset if we try to walk it. So we decided to take a tuk-tuk. But what we didn't realize, that we were about to be scammed. And we, or should I say I, didn't see any of the signs.
Why
is it going down?
I don't know, he said it's some way actually.
Down, you don't walk down. Good. Cannot go in Freedom Beach. Walk down.
How much ticket?
100 baht.
Oh my god.
Go away. The road private lane.
He brought us to private land.
As a tourist, when all of this happens, you have two choices. You either stand your ground and waste your day, or you just pay.
Slowly now. Have a good day.
And here we were trying not to get scammed again, but it is not that easy. We were basically walking to Freedom Beach and we were like 20 minutes away. And we didn't want to miss the sunset and he started going the other way. So we were thinking, why did we even walk this way if it's the other way? So, and then he brought us here, which is basically someone's private land. So now we pay 150 bucks to the tuk-tuk guy and we had to pay for pass through. So what was going to be a fairly inexpensive day has turned out to be a uselessly expensive day. At least this way looks pretty. But yeah, always know where you're going.
Why is he going down?
I don't know, he said it's some way actually. Now I hope the sunset is worth it. Tanvi, how pissed are you? Hello? She's so pissed that she doesn't want to talk.
Because I specifically read what is the entrance fee to this beach, and it said they cannot charge you because it's a public land.
So I would say that because we got scammed, we got to explore that side of the beach, which we would have never gone. We would have never gone to that side because it was just so difficult to get to. But I don't know, I think that was a really, really beautiful part. There were like little ponds over there, just just the fishes thing, and it was a very exclusive site. Though there was a bit of trash, which we saw while crossing. Yeah, lots of trash. But yeah, Freedom Beach is actually very beautiful. The sunset is amazing. I wish we came here earlier so we would have seen the blueness also. But yeah, it's good.
Between the free part of it and the non-free part of it, it's literally 20 meters here and you take the stairs and those are free.
Yeah.
You know, the first thing that you feel when you get scammed is not how much money you got scammed for. That comes later. But it's the feeling of being cheated that hits first. And it isn't pleasant. But you know what heals that feeling? A very, very beautiful sunset like this. Freedom Beach is truly a very beautiful and offbeat beach. But here's what we found out. The walk from the paid area is actually very short. And if you're on a scooty and don't like hiking, then you can actually consider going to this place. Because the hike back from the free area was very long and it got pretty dark. But all is well that ends well. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next episode.
My god, I hear noises in the jhadi. Freedom Beach. Yep, phat gaya. What I was afraid of.